CJ. CJ working it. Grab the net, grab the net.
Anything good, go.
Oh, yeah. Keeper. Fish.Factor, big boy on deck. Let's go. Nice job. Oh, yes.
That's a good sign, boys.
It looks so good.
The worst fisherman catches one.
Dude, it's a huge one. It's a nice keeper, brother.
Is that bigger than my guy last time?
Yes. Yes, it is.
It's longer. It's fun.
What up, motherfucker? What up, motherfucker? Get up on in here. 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 Keeper, big one. Oh, yeah, son. We like these. You are a big one. I like. Big one. I like. Oh. Yeah, baby. Captain Colby. Making moves.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Net small.
Smalley, not a keeper, but hey, we're on 5 fish for the day. Let's keep it rolling.
You see that?
We'll see in a minute. Let's see what we got here. We are pinpointing the goddamn spot, as you can see. We caught some monsters here this year, but let's see what the hell happens right now. We've been here about 10 minutes. Fish.Factor. Fish.Factor. Look at this. At the end of the day, it wasn't a terrible trip. You can't underestimate the ocean. I fucked up on this. But we still got 2 big ones to carve up. We're all happy and healthy.
Hell yeah.
Could have been a lot worse. Fish.Factor is safe. Till next time, y'all. Peace.
Yeah.
Let's go carve up these fish. Right now we're bleeding the fish into the cooler, making a disgusting slurry. We just executed them. Listen, I believe in this. Once your fish is killed and bled, I like to hold on to it with a wrench and massage that blood out. Get all of that nasty snot blood out. Then the fish fillet tastes amazing. If you don't, you're all right, but I don't know. That's how I do it. That's funny. That about wraps it up. We did what we came to do, I guess, and we're all cleaned up.
We're doing things. Getting ready to go. Button up. You know, it's the end of the trip, boys and girls.
Got a bucket here. Got a wrench. Table's clean. We always leave it clean. You're coming with me. I'm coming with me.
I'll put these back. I got 'em.
Yo, we're off to a little brunchy. I'm hoping for some cheesy eggs and mimosas to celebrate my shitty fucking thing that I did. Be like, hey, you're a dumbass. Congratulations. Yeah. See ya.